everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have another unboxing. This is a little delayed due to having to leave town for a surgery of a family member, but I'm super excited to be back and I can't wait to unbox this. You guys know my love for trays, and here we are. So this is from Bella Art De Nicole. They switched from Etsy to a website, so check out bellaartdenicole.com. The link is down below. My favorite color is green, and so when she launched this green color, I said I have to have it. And she is one of the hot upcoming stores, and so you have to really, Jamie and Nicole, you have to really pay attention to their Facebook group, their Instagram, and their website. And what I did is last time I purchased, it was right before Jamie came out with a new design, and the design is these reclosable lids. And so I'm super excited to have this reclosable lid. This is considered a large, and then you have two smalls and they stack. And so I'm really excited. You just kind of slip it out and slip it back in. It's nice and sturdy. It's gonna go great with some of my other ones. This is their old design. See how they stack? Let me grab some more. So this was their old lid, where this was their rose gold, and it just came off easily, which is great. I love it. My silver lid is hiding somewhere. But these, like, they're not gonna come off. You gotta pull them. They also have a really cute different way, so even when you shake it, there's no way that it's going to get out the sides. And a lot of people ask me, because I use these little minis a lot on my film, and they ask me, where do you get them? So that's where I get them. They have like a glacier blue right now and a purple on their site, but it changes every couple weeks. So this is the green, so check it out. And then they came up with a new max tray. I have not tried this max tray. I do have this big tray right here to show you the difference. So this is a really big tray, and it opens and shuts. And I don't know how I'm going to use this tray. We will see. But I wanted to try it out, see how it worked. But you can see the difference in the tray here. It does stack so that you can put, let me get another couple trays so you can, you know, stack them all here. Get your party started. So there you go. I got them stacked. So we will see. We will see how, what I like about this max tray is that they still kept a part here that didn't have ridges so that you can easily pour and they don't get stuck in the ridges. So that's pretty cool. But there you go. Different colors. You can see the difference. But they do stack. If you don't want the lid, they'll still stack. Like if you're working and you don't want to put the lid on because you're just, you know, hot to trot and you forgot, you can still stack them. So I had to get it. I think this is the mint green. I could be wrong. I'm not sure if they're coming back with this color, but I had to get the colors right away when they were green. And that's why I got them. So check out bellaartdenicole.com. They have some great colors, some great options. Jamie is, they're a veteran family, so you're supporting a small business and veterans, and they're just doing a great job. And Jamie is always coming up with new things. I think they have some tips, multi-placer tips. They have some storage for your pens. They have covers for your light pad buttons, so when you're drilling away and you accidentally touch the side of your light pad, it doesn't shut off. So check them out. They have a lot of great things besides just trays. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it gave you a little peek into what is out there. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, take care, be blessed. Bye-bye.